Alrighty, we are going to be trading today. Welcome back to the channel. So if you guys remember on our chart here, we are lagged behind severely because we are on paper trading. So we just closed our 705, or are about to close our 705 candle, even though it's 717. Our bias, I'm thinking potential bullish. We're breaking down pretty hard. We have these fair value gaps and IFEGs in the 15-minute and 30-minute. So I'm going to mark out this IFEG here for sure, because that could be a crucial confluence. So 30-minute IFEG, bullish IFEG, 15-minute bullish IFEG, pretty much the same level, but it comes down to here, which I'm more so worried about the 30-minute, I suppose. I think it'd be fine here as well. I am going to move my gold chart up on my recording screen here, just in case we have a better, let's switch to gold here, just in case we have a better entry in gold. 30 minutes, the same thing, looking bullish with FEG. Actually, we'll check the bias again, because I'm not 100% sure, but bullish with an FEG. Let's check that here. Yeah, we're still looking pretty bullish, which is what I like to see. We're playing off this IFEG here, which is held true with this reaction. So hopefully we can continue our bullish bias here, whether it be through continuation, which I think it will be. That's kind of what it's looking like. So if we put out our FVRP, our fixed volume, or fixed range volume profile, and it breaks above, we will continue. If it breaks below, we'll wait for it to retrace down into maybe this level right here, potentially. Probably be more like right here. That would be, I mean, you can't get much more of an ideal entry, right? If you buy here, put your sell limit. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is gold, so I was gonna say that is a massive amount of money to be on one contract, but we'll primarily focus on silver. If we do break below, we can target in here and set ourselves like this, which, I mean, I'm happy with that. I think that would be good. So yeah, we're just gonna wait another 5 minutes here. Yep, gonna wait another 5 minutes until this candle closes. It looks like we closed below this 30-minute FEG, but not in the 30-minute time frame, so that's good. 15-minute, we are playing off this IFEG and FEG, so I'll mark those out. It's off of here, I believe, and that one. Okay, and then one more FEG, which is right here, which I do like this. There we go. I'm still getting used to this control method, but I like it because it makes it look a lot more professional. And even though I'm slow at it, it is faster. But yeah, I like that. I mean, if we break below, I am definitely looking for a buy somewhere around in here. But it's looking like a continuation is going to be the play here, which, I mean, I would be happy with. If we could get a continuation, maybe go for this high right here, I would be completely fine with that. But, you know, we're just going to have to wait and see how it plays out. I'll probably be editing this around, so you guys don't have to sit and watch the candles and wait and stuff like that. So, but yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna look good here. Hopefully, we can get a break above this just massively large bearish trend, which I mean could hurt us because it is a bearish trend, but I think we're gonna break to the upside here. This would be our order block, which we are kind of playing off of, which would be the move down before the move up. So I mean, it'd be right in here, right? So, I mean, plenty of confluences to play off of. This is where I would want to see us reverse upwards, but then again, you never know how it'll play out. It is looking like we're going to be taking a continuation trade, which I'm completely happy with, because if we take this continuation trade, we'll break out of this 5-minute FEG, and then I would do 2 contracts around here. Our sell limit, I'd probably push for like a 300, and then I would try and take up here. That would be an ideal trade. Or maybe right below these IFVGs, and then let it run out and get to TP. That would be ideal. But you can see our candle is going back down, which isn't ideal, but that's okay. We'll just react off of what the market's doing. So this is our closing candle here. So we're just going to watch and see what happens. If it breaks above, we will enter, but I'm not going to enter with these limits because with paper trading, it's super stupid and the market's 10 minutes ahead. So I'd probably be entering up above who knows where at the TP mark, which would be frustrating. But I will probably edit and let you guys know what happens. Alright, I just hopped back on and did a little more evaluating, or I didn't hop back on, but I just started recording again. I'm thinking this is where I like our entry here. If you can see in the 30-minute, we have this IFEG, this fair value gap, this inverse fair value gap, this 15-minute. We have all these lovely things here. I really just think that this trend is gonna switch off here. This will be my entry mark, and this will be my stop loss for 500 and my take profit for 7. And I just like how we're dipping down towards it, and I think that we are going to get a reversal, whether it be now or a little later, but I'm just going to keep playing with this, and this is, I believe, on 1 contract. This is on 2. So I'm taking this on 2 contracts. But my plan is to run it out and see how far I can get these this profit. So let the winners run, but I also might just have a fixed trade here. I am probably just going to have a fixed trade here. Potentially move the break to break even, but it's only a 1.2, 1.3 RR, so I don't really want to move it to break even. But we will definitely see how this trade plays out, and I will let you guys know. Okay, so this is just some footage off the camera. We did get entered into our trade. It is looking like it's coming down pretty hard towards our stop, but that is completely fine. I'm just taking this one off the phone. I was just sitting at my desk here and saw that I got entered, and I just wanted to let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated and on what happens. All right, guys, we just hit full TP. for $700 on silver. I'm very happy with this trade. I'm really, really, really happy with this trade, actually. This played out beautifully. We played right off that 30-minute IFEG like we thought. We pretty much got as low of a tick as we could have on that IFEG. 15-minute, played right off that FEG with some wicks, and then in the 5-minute, we played off this FEG. I'm very happy with this trade. Probably don't think that we could let our profits run here because we are still in this downtrend, and I feel like it's going to take a lot to get us out of it, and that's something that I don't really want to sit here for another hour for. But I'm very happy with this trade. This went very well. I'm going to journal it, and then I'm going to upload all these videos, get them edited, and get them sent out onto YouTube. Hopefully I can get them today. I want to get to the point where editing is as fast as possible and I can get them out in the same day. But we will see. But again, very happy with this trade. Analysis I think was good. I'm going to watch it back and see how we did. But thank you guys for tuning in. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like what you saw. And yeah, we got 3 subscribers. Very grateful, so grateful. And a couple views are increasing, which is very good. And I'm just happy to see any progress. But again, very happy with this trade. Funded, my goal is to get a funded account next week. I think if paper trading goes well this week, I think next week we're going to be looking good. But there's going to be a lot going on with this new SpaceX IPO and all this liquidity trap and things that people are talking about. So I'm going to keep looking into it, keep researching. But thank you guys for tuning in. Peace out.